Hey everyone, so if you're seeing this video, you will soon notice that this is not a typical video that I make where I show either some international comics or I show some Indian comics or I show some action figures and the likes. Today what I did was I planned to go hyper local. So today the video is going to be about comics which were published in Malayalam, and I'm not going to go and show you all comics which I have. That I'll do in a separate video, but the ones I'm planning to show now, and I'm going to show a quick snapshot, are the comics published by Toms, right? And the most famous of his publication is the comic that I have right here. It's called Boban and Molly. So these are two neighborhood kids who wreak havoc amongst the neighborhood, and their very famous pet as well. So that kind of like reminds me of the Snowy from Tintin. But the most interesting part is in all these comics, this pet also plays a very important part in all the panels, which makes him very lovable as well as absolutely hilarious. So those are the comics we are going to run through today. I don't have a extraordinary collection of hundreds and thousands of such comics because I lost most of my collection which I had during childhood once I moved out of my home. These are the comics which I picked out some time back, and the reason why I picked this guy up was it was impossible for me to collect all this back in single issues, because then I would have hundreds of books in single issues and no place to keep them or store them. Instead, what I did was I went and got some of them in collected edition. So each of this book, what it says is that it has hundreds plus pages of the collected stuff in them, and that I thought maybe I could get few and keep them just for some nostalgia. And those are the collection that I have today. And we will quickly I will quickly showcase some of the covers that I have with me, as well as what does they contain within them, and if any of you are interested in picking up some comics in Malayalam, I could definitely give you some tips where to find some of them. So that's going to be the special video today. So I picked this book to show you guys what is inside, what are the contents that you can find in these books. First and foremost, the warning that I need to give you is that it is going to be black and white. And the second part of it is, which is kind of like disheartening for many people, is that paper quality is pretty poor, right? And that's what I'm showing you. It's newspaper kind of paper quality, and that too the very low end of it. The reason why they stuck to this kind of paper quality is because it made it extremely affordable, right? So this book, while it costs $50, it has 100 plus pages of cartoons. So anybody who wants to make a quick read, and usually this gets sold during people traveling, like when they are in the bus or in the train, they quickly buy one of this and then they finish it during the journey, right? And that's even has some R.K. Lakshman cartoons in them in the middle, right? So that was the intended purpose of these books, right? It was a quick fun read. And when I was reading through some of this like very recently, it was extremely easy for me to read through and quickly move page by page, right? And that was the main attraction of these books. And that the paper quality is definitely a bummer, but this was not meant to be a collector's edition, right? That was the most important reason for it to have such a poor paper quality. I'm okay with that. The only thing is storing this for long periods of time will become a big hassle, because it could get damaged pretty easily. Although the ones I picked up, I kind of like went through and picked up some good copies, but I mean, this won't last many years, right? So it could get attacked by a cockroach or a lizard or whatever it is, right? And quickly get damaged in one shot. So I bought some polythene covers to keep them, but even then, it may not be having a high longevity. But otherwise, it's like I said, right? It has a lot of different kind of cartoons, some satirical ones, some politically related ones, but everything which is very relatable, and it shows you in a context, in a neighborhood context where you can quickly relate to, which makes them extremely interesting for me at least, right? I'll show you one different one. This is Boban and Molly, and there's another guy called this one is a recent one. I have never heard of it when I was small. He's called Tintumon, and yeah, that's another notorious kid, and this is by somebody called Shaji, although it's part of the Boban and Molly group, right? This is another guy and his stuff. This is more a recent, modern one. So the kind of PJs he cracks and the kind of replies he gives back to the elders, all those are the quirky ones, this, right? And it definitely has a modern touch to it. The guy who preceded this one is called Unnikutan, right? That's Unnikutan, and this is the guy compared to, and that is by Toms, obviously. Toms is the guy who created all these characters, and he is the main artist. And so the difference between this guy Unnikutan and Boban and Molly is that he's a slightly smaller kid as compared to Boban and Molly, who are a little bit older kids. And the most interesting part which I remember about this guy is that his the way he speaks is not the proper Malayalam, right? So he mixes it in such a way that you can easily relate that this is a kid speaking it and not an older guy who knows the language. And some of this I saw that has color pages as well, this collection at least, and it's more of a digest. It has a lot of different kind of characters and different kind of stories in it as compared to the other collected editions which I showed you earlier. Yeah, so that way it was kind of like I thought this was a bit more kiddish, a bit more cartoony, so not a big fan of those kind of stuff, but anyways I just picked it up. So quickly I'll show you the covers. This is by Tintumon. It shows Tom's Publications, and yeah, that's the cover of that. Let's move all this to one side after showing you guys. This is the one which I showed you earlier. I simply love this cover. It has a lot of things going around in it. Again, 100+ cartoons, and that's the central characters right in the middle. This is a very interesting cover. The next one again is Tintumon, Tom's Publications again, and that is the cover art. Next one again, this is Boban and Molly. The central characters in the center and 100+ cartoons and a lot of stuff happening around. Again, Tintumon. I think I picked up 2 or 3 of this, and the rest and all are the classic. Yeah, this is the Unnikutan one of Tom's magazine. Not everybody could relate to this comics, but me hailing from Kerala, I'm from Trivandrum, this were something which was part of my childhood, and that's the reason why I keep buying them and keeping them for a fun read. Obviously it doesn't make sense if you don't know the language, because most of this humor is subtle, and it is in Malayalam, which is my native tongue, which is why I enjoy it more than maybe some of you guys out there. The next one again, yeah, this is a slightly older one. It's $40. The other ones are 50. Again, it shows central characters. So there are a lot of neighborhood characters, and this guy is his name is, I think, Appy Hippie or something. He's like a Johnny Bravo ripoff of sorts. What do we have next? Okay, we have another one. They're all in, looks like they're all in some courtroom, and that's the central characters right there. But yeah, and these are thick books, guys, like so $50, and it has enough content in them to keep you engaged for a couple of hours. So yeah, cool. The next one, this is an older one. I couldn't find a better copy of this, but still I picked it up because I don't know, if I let it go, I don't think I may be able to get another one of this. Again, this is the classic one, central characters there, and the final piece is this one. It shows a cartoon there right in the middle. So those are the comics which I wanted to show you guys. I hope you, at least some of you, could relate to it and had a fun time seeing these comics. I hope to show you much more of comics from different languages including Hindi, Malayalam, Assamese, Bengali, and different ones, right? Whenever I get my hands on more of them. And signing off,